Hello, this is Perfect Parfait, and we have great news. We have a new spring-loaded handle that will prevent yogurt drips and help with your yogurt flow out of the machine. We're going to show you how to install this new handle. It is very, very easy to do. First, you need to identify which machine you have. This is a GEN3 machine, which means there's no switches here, only the temperature controller. Your switches are located in the back. So the first thing you're going to do is reach around to the bottom of the back and shut the main power off. The second thing you're going to do is open the machine, and you're going to insert the blue cap on the yogurt tube. And we're going to take and remove the yogurt out of the machine. And you need a Phillips screwdriver to change the handle out. This is what your current handle looks like. All you do is you simply remove the current handle. And save your screw. That is very important. Remove the handle. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to move this bracket towards this pump wheel. So to do that, you insert the Phillips screwdriver in here, loosen the screws, do not remove them, but just loosen them. And then you're going to slide this bracket all the way to the left. So the way I do that is I take and put my Phillips screwdriver in there, and now we're going to tighten this bracket down now that it's moved all the way to the left. So I'm going to hold that there, tighten the back screws first, slide that over, and now we're going to tighten the front screws. Now, to install the new spring-loaded handle, this little tab on the handle goes into this groove right here, while the hole here goes on this knob. So just like this, we're going to put this on, and that's in the slot. We'll go back and forth. And now just simply put your screw back in there and tighten it. And now your new spring-loaded handle is on the dispenser. So you can go ahead and turn your unit back on and put the yogurt back in the machine. Remove the blue cap. And I do want to point out something very important that I see a lot of hotels doing. They have their tube cut way too long. It only needs to be right below the white refrigerated block, just enough so you can put the blue cap on. That's really going to help with yogurt flow too. So don't leave your tube too long. Make sure it's cut nice and short so you can fit the blue cap on. And we're going to dispense a cup of yogurt to show you how well this works. And that is it. Thank you very much.